Anybody who isn't here now? Anyways, I'm going to lock the meeting now. There you go. Yeah. So we're looking at
Recording in progress.
So we're looking at this guy here. PA. We talked about liquidity. Okay, we're talking about liquidity today. Liquidity. Well, first, let's quickly catch up. Chap breakup on DP and IPA. I hope this session on DP and IPA really helped your trading over the, I think for 2 weeks now, yeah? I think it's been 2 weeks now, if I'm not mistaken. Did it help your trading? Thank you. Oh, yes. A lot, a whole lot. Right, so.
Man.
Efficiency and inefficiency. I'm not going to waste too much time here because I kind of have a lot to cover and I don't want to use more than 2.5 hours to play out today. So you have this high, this low, this high, this low, this high, this low. Is this efficient? Everybody?
No,
right? It's not efficient. So since it is not efficient, if price comes back to that next low, here, will you buy this guy?
No.
Why?
It needs to regain efficiency or induce that low.
Okay, good. So if it regains efficiency, you consider a buy, right?
Yeah.
Then no inducement, no trade, so you have to wait for confirmation before you buy, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Good. Or you have to wait for confirmations before you buy, right?
Yep.
Good. Or you have to wait for confirmation before you buy.
Yep.
So with this right here, I hope everybody understand the PNIP. This is just it in summary. So yeah, you're allowed to take screenshots. So now, what part of EP and IP is confusing you? Quickly, just stick to questions on that, then we'll jump into it straight.
Just to confirm what you my daughter is.
Yeah, you can raise your hand and I will just unmute you to speak so we don't crowd you. Yeah, so we have Luna chat. Let me know.
I just wanted to confirm. You said if you see like a skip of money, you wait for confirmation, right?
Wait for skip of money.
No, if there's skip of money, right? Like the example you just gave.
That skip of money within your value trading limit.
Okay, within your value trading limit.
Skip of money only comes within your value trading limit. Is that what we're talking about? Skip of money. It is everywhere. It is everywhere in the market, pretty much. But we like to utilize it to its potential, so we just put it into a particular scope of the MSG setup, so that we can leverage on that. Then, and we don't take unnecessary losses within our value trading. That's why. So if you have inefficiency, so once it's out of that level, and the structure of talking about inefficiency and efficient price. So I'm with you. Oh, that answers your question.
Yeah. No, I was just saying like if there's a skip in like money transfer, you wait to see a confirmation, right? That would be like ideal. So yeah. So now you have something like that. Now if you're trying to cut a sell, you wait for maybe after an inducement and you see like a price behavior into supply or something.
Were you in the last call?
Yeah.
What's the first rule for trading?
No inducement, no trade.
That's wrong. Guys, what's the first rule for trading?
EPA.
Yeah, never pick a trade. That's what we said. Never pick a trade.
One not for every 1,000.
Right? We said never pick a trade. Let me define this right now. We said never pick a trade on inefficient pricing. Always wait for price to regain efficiency.
Yeah.
Before you can, then after that, no inducement, no trade.
Okay.
So is this efficient?
No.
So that answers your question.
Yeah. Yeah, it does.
You understand? That answers your question. So
Yeah,
when we talk,
that's
when it comes to skipping money, we have inducement. This is where you're looking at, oh, there is skipping money within the value trading leg. I have to wait for price to what? Induce again before I can sell, because there is skipping money. So it's either I wait for it to induce or it can come here to mitigate. Whichever one it does, I will react accordingly.
Okay.
Alright, Chad, your question.
Hey, Mr. Yusuf, how you doing, by the way? But if this is the lower time frame, sorry, I drew that a little too big. If this is like M1 and this is staying efficient, like I'll see maybe M5 will be just like it'll look like one push, but you'll see like a wick go up and then a wick come back down. Would you consider?
Now wait. Don't worry. Sometimes before you finish asking your question, I know where you're going. If I look at this here, talking about anatomy of candlestick. You have this. 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 So, is this a push or what? Is this a push?
Yes.
Is this a push and is this a push? Yeah?
Yeah.
That's a push, right?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yeah.
now, if that is a push, then what is this?
That's multiple pushes on a lower time frame.
So, if this is a push, doesn't this make, if this here is a push, doesn't this make for the internal structure
Right.
of that push? So that's the challenge you have, Chad. You always get caught in the weeds. How that answers your question now?
Yeah, it kind of does. And, well, I'm trying to get over that. I'm kind of understanding that now. The thing is, like, if I'm looking at M5 and I see and I like what looks like. Sorry, I'm trying to get on the annotation. I'm sorry, if I'm on M1 and I see something like this, like it actually looks like structure, like it goes like that, then I know on the M5 it might look like the candles and then like the wicks just going through it. But say this was the last M5 area, which would be like this on M1. If it goes like that and then there's nothing in here on the M5 and then the M5 is coming back down here, would you say this is now efficient if this is the M1 like EPA being followed?
Is this an M5 structural point here?
No.
So where's the M5 structural point?
Well, on the M5, this would just be one push.
So if this is just one push, then that means what? This regained efficiency on the M1, the M5 could still remain inefficient up to this level again.
Okay, I got that. Alright, thanks.
You're welcome. Alright, so two questions.
That's really
Let's dive into
posted up, yo. Who the fuck was teaching him?
Alright, so
You can tell from different parts of
liquidity.
Nigeria, him and Bright.
what
Oh, from the
is liquidity?
Well, Bright's is more Nigerian.
Yeah, no rough.
Let's contribute though. What's
Same place
liquidity?
right now.
I
Money.
hope EP and IP is understandable now.
Oh yeah, I'm good in that department.
Alright, so what's liquidity, guys? Let me
Liquidity is
hear
money.
you. Money, market orders and present money.
Others.
Okay. So because you pretty much know what all of these are,
You pretty much know.
because everybody here has pretty much contributed, so we know that liquidity is money. Let me just track this guy